East India Company has been what? Abolished. Monopoly. तो हमने क्या देखना है कि 1813 चार्टर एक्ट जो हुआ, दिस 1813 चार्टर एक्ट, वन से आई सेड दैट मोनोपोली abolished. लेकिन मोनोपोली किस चीज से नहीं हटा? टी एंड ओपियम. किससे नहीं हटा? यस, किससे नहीं हटाया उन्होंने? ही डिड नॉट रिमूव द मोनोपोली. मिस व्हाई? टी एंड ओपियम. Understood? And they will maintain their monopoly in China. मतलब चाय और चीनी. चाय समझते? चाय और चीनी छोड़कर सब पर मोनोपोली हटा दिया गया. चाय समझते हैं ना? टी एंड चीनी. चाय में चीनी चाहिए होगा. चीनी sugar or chini for China. So I said that monopoly from the China has not been. The China was also that they have also to an extent colonial power over some parts of China. So in the China there is not, it has been removed. Understood? And another 1 lakh donation has been issued for education. Education के लिए 1 lakh rupees has been given for, I said that, education. 1 lakh rupees. किस चीज के लिए दिया गया? Education के लिए. Understood? But it has not been utilized for the next, I said that, around 40 years. Nobody talked about it. Nobody talked about it. So we have seen that monopoly abolished. टी एंड ओपियम पे एबॉलिश नहीं किया गया. इन व्हाट कंटेक्स्ट? इन दिस हेस्टिंग पीरियड, जो बहुत हंस रहा है, इस इन हिज पीरियड, इन व्हाट कंटेक्स्ट? यू नो दैट इन यूरोप आई सेड दैट इन यूरोप I said that Napoleon has attacked on what? Britain. And Napoleon was growing very powerful. And when the Napoleon attacked on Britain, then he was defeated. Then he thought how to reduce the power of Britain. Then he did continental policy. What he did? Continental policy. Means he stopped what is in a trade. क्योंकि ये सारे countries जो थे, European other country was influence of France. So France के अंडर में सारे European countries are under the influence, under the France. So therefore, the trading from Britain stopped. France and other European countries. And suddenly the local traders and then British traders, their problem started increasing. But whatever they are producing, they should be somewhere purchased. Suppose आपने 1000 माल प्रोड्यूस किया and somebody is not purchasing, suddenly you will collapse. Yes, because you have produced such a large huge amount for someone who is demanding. So the European countries were demanding and therefore they are what is ascending. But now due to the continental policy, और इसको कौन सी पॉलिसी कहते हैं? Continental policy of 1806 and 1807. This continental policy of Napoleon causes what? The traders of European, that they cannot be able to what? Do trade. Now they are giving pressure on, they started giving pressure on whom? Yes, they started giving pressure on British Parliament, and therefore in 1813 Charter Act, what happened? Monopoly has been removed and then it has been opened for yes, British traders. It has been opened for British traders, it has been opened, and thereafter we have been able to see it has been opened for British traders. Understood? and at the same time the Christian missionaries also came. Christian missionaries. You can remember that. Christian missionaries also come. यदि आप ऐसे लिखोगे तो different color से लिखना. नहीं तो it will be, you can't differentiate all the point. And thereafter, I said that what happened? Christian missionaries, and then they have been able to open the British traders, and then what happened? You can be able to see. Yes, Christian missionaries came, and then इसकी वजह से क्या start हुआ? Socio-religious reform. What has been started? Yes. And then इसकी वजह से when the British traders came, they started doing trade with the local people. Then धीरे धीरे क्या हो गया? One, I said, a small scale commercialization. Yes or not? A small scale होगा कि नहीं होगा? If you started doing trader with the some people, those who have been able to purchase and all, slowly and slowly small scale commercialization has been started. In India, small scale commercialization. Understood? Commercialization of industry. A small scale commercialization of industry has been started. समझ में आ गया? How? All are correlated. None of the point I said that without correlation, so that all the points can be asked in your what I said that MCQ and all. जब आऊँगा यहाँ से गुजरूँगा तो मैं तो बहुत कुछ बताऊँगा. But here it is I said that you should understand that क्या मैंने बताया? East India Company, I said that first time under the 1813 Charter Act, they have what is a power of company has been reduced. Yes or not? Monopoly has been reduced. He become more of controller. Yes or not? Follower. What is the commandments are coming from the up. And then monopoly has been abolished. One से आप क्या याद रखोगे? Monopoly has been abolished except tea and opium and China. Understood? And thereafter we have been able to remember another 1 lakh rupees has been given for what is an education. Yes or not? Education. And then you can be able to see first time, यदि education की बात करूं तो first time growth of literature and science. Education की बात करें तो first time growth of literature and science started. Growth of what is I said that literature. याद रहेगा आपको? If I am talking about education, for the first time there is a growth of literature and science. अब ये बात तो हमने कर लिया. इसके बाद हमने क्या बोला? In which context this monopoly has been started? The context was continental policy. Understood? And then we have been able to see उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? It is this Indian colony has been opened for whom? British traders. It has been opened for whom? Yes, Christian missionaries. And then when the Christian missionaries came, they said that there is a need of religion reform. They started saying your religion is what is a polytheism is there, idol worship, and so many things they started criticizing. And then our people, educated people, also started saying yes, this is wrong. Yeah, they are talking good. So they also Raja Ram Mohan Rai and all, you know, that they started coming up in this period, and they started. And then religion में, if the religion में आप idol worship कर रहे हो, and on the basis of idol worship you are doing what is if the husband has been died, and on the funeral pyre of husband, the widow has to be put and lit to the death. It is in a kind of sati system was prevailing. तो ये गलत है. चलो religion आप कर रहे हो, but on the basis of religion this activity was happening. So we have connected this activity through the which one? I said that religion. So our educated and philosophical portion, they started thinking religious reform social reform cannot be without religious reform. So therefore we have to study socio-religious reform. Understood? क्योंकि I said that the core problem of this social reform exists in relation. Understood? And thereafter we've been able to understand it. Yes? So, और यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि small commercial and at the same time we have seen 1 lakh education भी आया and social and the small scale commercialization of industry also started during the period of whom? Yes, tell me. Hastings, Warren Hastings nahi, only Hastings. Understood? Do not say Warren Hastings. It is only Hastings. Shall I remove this? I said, if we'll see 1813 Charter Act, 1813 Charter Act. So one side if I am talking about, and after that there is, and I said that Lord Hastings this reason that I said that in 1814, I said that 1814 to 1816 there is an Anglo-Nepal war. Which war took place? In 1814 to 1816, which war? Killer. And after this war, I said that whole Uttarakhand was taken. Whole Uttarakhand. So due to this war, what happened? I said that Garhwal, Kumaऊं, ये जब उत्तराखंड को आप देखते हो तो ये रीजन क्या है? गढ़वाल है, and this is what? Kumaऊं, and thereafter Nepal. Understood? So the Garhwal and Kumaऊं region has been made under the part of what? British India. So this Uttarakhand region which is at present, it is not the part of what? India. It was the part of which? Nepal. Understood? So Anglo-Nepal war took place in the Garhwal and Kumaऊं, and then another side I said that Sikkim region. Which one I said that? Sikkim and Darjeeling on the east. Which region has been taken? So Sikkim was also earlier under whom? Yes, tell me. This is the Sikkim. This region is what? I said that. This region is taken and this region is taken. Understood? And some of the reason of, I said that there is a Tarai region. Some of the Tarai region in UP and Bihar. Some Tarai region. आपको याद हो कपिल वस्तु सब यहीं पर है, यहाँ पर ही है, सब ये नेपाल के अंडर में है, सब इसके नीचे बगल में. तो there is in this region, some of the region of Tarai, it was under the Nepal. It has been also taken by the Britishers. Some Tarai, the region of UP plus Bihar. अब इसकी boundary क्या होगी? Which is the boundary? Now the boundary has been said, like I said that this side is Kali river. Which I said that? Kali river. This side we can be able to say that Kali river has become the water border, and this side is, I said that, Tista river. Understood? Understood? And this way, so, and this 1814-16 Anglo-Nepalese war finished with what? Anglo-Nepalese war finished with the Treaty of Sagauli. Treaty of, यहाँ पे मैं बता दूंगा क्योंकि the reason behind, क्योंकि मेरे आगे में पढ़ाने में ये दो मैं पढ़ाऊंगा नहीं, तो यहीं पर मैंने आपको Anglo-Nepal war, और it is also known as Gurkha war. Gurkha या Gorkha. Understood? So Anglo-Nepalese war is also known as, I said that, Gorkha war. Understood it? Treaty of Sagauli. 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 Yes? साग नहीं जानते हो? साग, do you understand? बस वो खा लो, और जितना साग खाओगे आयरन आएगा, उतना ही गोरे हो जाओगे, गोरखा हुआ. सो आई सेड दैट सगौली, इसीलिए सारे पंजाबी गोरे होते हैं. So just making yes, you can remember. Can you remember Gorkha War, Treaty of Sagauli? Shall I remove? Yes. So 1813 onward, who was the Governor General? I said that Hastings. Who was the Governor General? So in his period, you can be able to see again. Then I said the territorial expansion is taking place. Yes or not? Territorial expansion is taking place. Another, I said that 1817 to 1818, I said that third Anglo-Maratha War. Third Anglo-Maratha War. 1800, and this is the last Anglo-Maratha War.